I have this brand new Omen 16-inch gaming laptop, and here's how to set up Windows 11 in 10 easy steps. You'll have to think of your childhood memories for step 7. Let's begin by powering on, and that is a necessary requirement. I want to take the time to mention the accessibility settings available during your setup phase.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on Narrator by pressing Windows and Control and Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows and U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Automatically announcing how to get started and how to get into the settings is a great start. If we open the accessibility window, we'll find the following options. You have magnification, which will allow you to magnify into your display. You have contrast themes, that will change the color of your display. You have narrator, which would go through different options for you. On-screen keyboard, sticky keys and filter keys. Once you have gone through the setup phase, you're able to go into greater detail and jump through all the accessibility settings Windows 11 has to offer. I would make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to be updated when I launch my Windows 11 accessibility video for 2024. So let's begin with step 1. Step 1 is choosing your country and region selection. Step 2 is your keyboard selection. So you're able to select the language you want to use in the keyboard setup. You're able to select an alternative option for keyboard layouts. Step 3 is connecting to the internet via Wi-Fi selection. Find your Wi-Fi connection, enter its password and connect. Step 4 is your license agreement. Read through this, it's quite long-winded, but you have to scroll through it or read it all the way through it to continue. Step 5 is name your device. So you need to give your device a name. Please note, when doing this, it may restart. Step 6, who will be using this device? And also there is an option to set up for children. Step 7 is security, and this is where I said you have to think of your childhood. You have to protect your device by answering different questions. You can choose the questions that you want to set yourself and make sure you remember the answers. Step 8 is preferences. There's quite a lot here to go through. So first of all is location. So you agree to use location. Then the next option is find my device. You want to agree to use this. So if your device is unfortunately stolen or lost, you're able to find it and locate it. Your next option is to send diagnostics to Microsoft. Again, you can choose what you want to do. Your next selection is improving inking and typing. Again, you can send feedback if you wish. Your next option is tailored experiences. So if you want to have tailored experiences to you, you agree to do this or you don't agree to do this. And then finally is letting apps use your advertising ID. This means you'll get targeted adverts. I've chosen not to agree to this one. Step 9 is to register and protect your device. It's really worth doing this because you want to protect your device where possible and even extend the warranty if required. You should have a standard European warranty with your device. Step 10 is that you're complete and your setup is ready to enjoy. So Windows 11 is different to Windows 10. There's a few improvements and a lot of different changes. We'll go through this during my review of this gaming laptop from Omen. And also, if you have any questions or if you need any help, please leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help. Make sure to check out my unboxing and first look at this amazing gaming laptop from Omen and subscribe to be notified when I share my full review as well. I will also leave a link in the video description to learn more about this Omen gaming laptop and also where best to buy here in the UK. Thanks for watching and bye for now.